You know I like
Welcome back, guys, to another episode of J-Hook Fishing. We've got Judson, first time in ramming speed kayak. Mr. Divine.
Hello.
And we're gonna fish around a little bit, see what the fish are doing. You doing a challenge or anything, or you just fishing today? I mean, other than me out fishing you, is there anything else you want to do? Huh? How about let's just get the goal out the way. Let's just catch one just to get that goal out the way. And then let's see if somebody can catch it one bigger than 3 pounds. How about that? That sound good? All right. Well, let's get to throwing it out there and see what happens. Oh, there is leaves in the trolling motor.
I'm just coming to bump the boat and say hi.
Hi. All right. We about to fish, man. All right, Operation 3-pounder.
Oh, so that's
Commence.
so it's not numbers. You don't stop.
Just one of us in the boat catch one bigger than 3 pounds.
Can I catch one first?
Yes, sir?
I think you almost had a fish because I saw one near you.
Ooh, good eyes.
How come the back end of this boat is going first over that tree? Huh? How come?
Well, I'm not gonna throw this spinnerbait up in that tree. And if you start catching them on that, I'm gonna be tying mine on, because I ain't got nothing tied on to it yet. Yes, sir. Ah, save that spot. I'll come catch it.
You know what that boat's called? The Patriot. Because it wants a victory. Victory. You want a victory? Yeah, you want a victory. I'm about to show you the best place you've ever seen.
I actually want to fish on my boat.
Okay, I'll let you. What was that bird doing?
Oh, get it away.
Got my pipe.
What you got?
Little slump.
A brown.
You can put that on your
Show the world. Nah, it's too big.
up.
You talking about to like catch a bass with?
No, I thought you meant put it on your show.
Oh, yeah.
Say Daddy Rabbit, #1.
We after a 3-pounder is the goal.
Wait a minute.
That was to get the skunk out the boat. Now you need to get with it.
You know what, I was telling that skunk. What is? Get a bite?
Just watching my rod.
Creeling out.
Well, remember, you choose this place because of convenience. Smells fishy over here, though. Throw that panther up there. I've seen swirls since we got here. Up in that corner right there.
Handle what you got.
Let's see what you got. Ain't no bass. It's a brim. You need some polarized glasses.
Ooh, son, look at that.
Turn around, smile for the camera. Ooh, yeah, that's a good one right there. I'm glad I put you on that spot.
Paint.
Could very well be the big fish of the day.
It's my 3 pounder, I think. Good gosh. Well, he's got it in here. Let go of that. Let go of that.
Alright, you ready for me to clear my skunk?
Put on that.
You know what I do.
Holy mother of pain. That's bad enough attitude.
Well, that upper pond, when it started raining, I sure saw a big one come up over that log.
Really?
When I drug it up over that log. Catch me a little bass with this, get the skunk out the boat. There goes something swimming off the bank right there. At the Kroger over yonder. And then Judson had a fire. We had smoke going this way and that on the back deck.
What have you got on there now? 2 dollars?
You ain't got no 3 dots. I didn't know there was a difference. I just saw it on the Amazon and just stacked up. I can return whatever I want.
Turn stuff all the time.
All day long?
I get it on his head and tell him to operate. Here, operate this thing on top of your head.
You can't see what's happening. Well, you got to learn the beeps. Whoever gave it to you didn't teach you the beeps?
No, they just said, here, let's push that one, you got a fish on it.
Oh, little brim was falling. It scared me. Man, it was a tiny little sucker though.
You agitated it. Look what you got.
You done with this?